Here are 10 reasons why the Thunderbolt is one of the best new desktop lasers on the market.
First, let's talk about the Bolt's RF laser. RF lasers operate more efficiently and generate less heat compared to CO2 lasers. As a result, they often have built-in cooling systems that are sufficient to dissipate heat produced by the operation without the need for a separate water chiller. This simplifies the setup and maintenance of the laser cutter, reduces equipment costs, and eliminates the need for additional space and plumbing required for a water chiller. RF lasers typically have higher efficiency compared to CO2 lasers. This means that they can convert a large percentage of input energy into laser output, resulting in faster cutting speeds and reduced energy consumption. RF lasers often produce a higher quality laser beam with a more consistent intensity profile and smaller focal spot size. This can result in cleaner cuts, finer details, and smoother edges, especially when working with intricate designs or thin materials. RF lasers generally have a simpler and more robust design compared to CO2 lasers, resulting in lower maintenance requirements and longer operational lifetimes. This can lead to cost savings and less downtime for maintenance and repairs. Next, let's talk about the Bolt's Motorized Z Table. Adding a motorized Z axis to a laser cutter can offer several benefits for both hobbyists and professionals alike. A motorized Z axis allows for precise control over the distance between the laser head and the material being cut or engraved. This precision enables consistent results and the ability to work with materials of varying thicknesses. With motorized control, adjusting the Z axis becomes easier compared to manual adjustments. This can save time and effort, especially when working on intricate designs or frequently changing materials. Motorized Z-axes can be integrated into automated workflows, allowing for autofocusing and repeatability in production processes. This is particularly useful in industrial settings where efficiency and consistency are crucial. With dimensions of approximately 36 by 27 by 18 inches, the Bolt is relatively small, making it suitable for environments where space is limited. The Bolt comes equipped with a heat alarm sensor and safety sensors on all doors, ensuring a safe working environment for operators. These features help prevent accidents and protect users from potential hazards associated with laser cutting. The Bolt is available in both 115 and 230 volt versions, providing flexibility to users based on their power requirements and electrical infrastructure. The Bolt features an adjustable air assist system, which helps improve cutting and engraving quality by blowing away debris and preventing flare-ups. Additionally, it comes with an integrated inline fan for exhaust, ensuring efficient removal of smoke and fumes during operation and maintaining a clean work environment. The Bolt is equipped with adjustable lighting for the interior, allowing users to optimize visibility based on their preferences and requirements of their workspace. The Bolt offers a great working area. It includes a honeycomb bed, which provides excellent support for materials during the cutting and engraving process. This bed design ensures consistent results by minimizing distortion and preventing materials from sagging or warping during operation. With a spacious working area of 12 by 20 inches, the Bolt offers ample working space for accommodating various sizes of materials and projects. This generous workspace allows for users to work on large pieces or multiple smaller pieces simultaneously, maximizing productivity and efficiency. The Bolt is equipped with closed-loop stepper motors, which offer precise control and accuracy in movement. These motors continuously monitor and adjust position feedback, ensuring reliable performance and consistent results, even during long cutting or engraving sessions. The inclusion of a pull-out crumb tray makes cleanup and maintenance a breeze. This tray collects debris, residue, and small particles generated during the cutting and engraving process, keeping the work area clean and preventing potential damage to the machine. The Bolt also offers flexibility in material thicknesses with its adjustable depth capability. With the table installed, it can accommodate materials up to approximately 4.5 inches thick. However, by removing the table, users can work with materials up to around 7.5 inches thick, expanding the range of materials that can be processed with the laser cutter. The ability of the Thunder Laser Bolt to integrate seamlessly with a rotary tool for processing cylindrical objects adds another dimension of versatility to its capabilities. By integrating a rotary tool, the Bolt can handle cylindrical objects such as cups, bottles, cylindrical containers, and even rounded or curved surfaces like wooden dowels or pens. This expands the range of products that can be customized or manufactured with the laser cutter, opening new opportunities for users in various industries. The rotary port on the Bolt is separate, meaning there's no need need to disconnect any existing components when attaching or detaching the rotary tool. This simplifies the setup process and allows users to switch between flatbed cutting or engraving and rotary processing quickly and seamlessly. It enhances workflow efficiency, especially in environments where users frequently alternate between different types of projects. The inclusion of an overhead camera in the Thunder Laser Bolt brings several benefits to users, enhancing the precision, efficiency, and user experience of the laser cutting and engraving process. The overhead camera provides real-time visual feedback of the work area, allowing users to precisely position their designs on the material. This ensures accurate alignment and placement of graphics, text, or images, resulting in consistent and high-quality results with minimal errors. With the overhead camera, users can easily preview and adjust their designs directly within the software interface, eliminating the need for manual measurements or trial and error positioning. This streamlines the workflow, saves time, and reduces material wastage, particularly when working on intricate or complex designs. The Bolt simplifies connectivity with its single USB cable solution. This not only reduces cable clutter, but also simplifies setup and operation, ensuring a more streamlined and hassle-free user experience. The Bolt offers a precise, menu-driven interface for moving the X, Y, and Z axes, providing users with granular control over positioning and adjustment. The menu-driven interface allows users to move the axes by a specific distance in millimeters, enabling precise positioning and adjustment. This level of precision is essential for tasks that require accurate alignment or fine adjustments, ensuring consistent and high-quality results. The interface also allows the users to move the laser head to a specific XY coordinate. This feature is particularly useful for tasks that require a specific placement of designs or for aligning multiple elements within a project. Users can achieve the exact positioning without the limitation of predefined increments or fixed movements. With a precise menu-driven interface, users can minimize the margin of error on axis movement. By specifying the exact distance or coordinate, they can ensure accurate positioning and alignment, reducing the need for rework or adjustments after cutting or engraving. The autofocus feature on the Bolt offers several advantages. The autofocus function ensures that the laser head is positioned at the optimal focus length for cutting or engraving, regardless of the material thickness. With autofocus, users can quickly and accurately set the focal length without the need for manual adjustments. This saves time during setup and ensures that the production can proceed efficiently, especially when working with multiple materials or conducting batch processing. The offset autofocus feature takes into account the distance between the autofocus plunger and the laser path. This is particularly useful when the material's thickness is different beneath the plunger compared to the thickness in the laser path. The offset of the autofocus ensures that the Bolt configures the focal length for the laser path. The Bolt's red dot laser is aligned with the laser path, which offers several advantages compared to having an offset laser dot. An inline red dot laser provides precise alignment guidance. This ensures that the design or engraving is accurately positioned on the material, minimizing errors and ensuring consistent results. When the inline red dot laser follows the same path as the cutting laser and helps users make precise adjustments as needed. Users can easily visualize the exact location where the laser will interact with the material. There are also 4 laser heads available for the Bolt, ranging from 1.5 inches to 4 inches, offering several benefits. Smaller laser heads are ideal for detailed engraving or cutting work, while larger laser heads may be more efficient for covering larger areas or thicker materials. Having multiple laser head sizes available allows users to adapt to a wide range of materials, from delicate fabrics and thin plastics to thick wood or metal. Users can choose the laser head size that best suits the material that they are working with, ensuring optimal cutting and engraving results. The Bolt offers multiple software options, including RDWorks version 8, which is available for free, and this provides users with a basic yet functional solution for controlling the laser cutter. Additionally, many users opt to use Lightburn, a popular software known for its intuitive interface, advanced features, and a better user experience. Lightburn offers powerful design and control capabilities, making it a preferred choice for many laser cutter users. The Bolt supports both USB and Ethernet connections to the computer, providing users with flexibility in how they connect and control the laser cutter. USB connectivity offers simplicity and ease of use, while Ethernet connectivity provides faster data transfer speeds and the ability to control the laser cutter remotely over a network. Thunder Laser's staff are known for their quick response times and extensive knowledge when it comes to providing support and assistance to users. Whether users encounter technical issues, have questions about software capability, or need guidance on optimizing their laser cutting workflow, Thunder Laser's support team is readily available to help troubleshoot and provide solutions.
Thunder Laser USA sent me this unit to review, share some interesting projects with you here on YouTube, and provide my honest feedback. If you have an interesting idea for a project to make on the Bolt, have a question about the machine, leave a comment below. To get notified of the projects that I make with the Bolt, make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon.